As you guys can see right here, पहली stage end हो रही है and you can check out the positioning of OG. And they are staying on the edges currently and they are trying to play the game a bit slow. So now जैसे ही पहला circle का shift आता है, you can see right here, it completely gives the advantage to OG. So now you can see the whole northern part is empty. So now OG को पता है कि the teams are moving early and they are playing a bit late for the hard shift. OG पे this पूरा जो part है वो present था. So as per recent matches, OG को move करना था towards this compound जहाँ पे team गोड़ जाती है and I'll show you why. So all OG had to do was go for a compound जहाँ पे वो single direction में focus कर सकें, जैसा कि I'll show you in some seconds. And I'll show you the positioning of other teams also. Here, as you can see, OG, and I'll show you the circle shift. And here is the circle shift of the next stage. And you can see goat का एक बंदा यहाँ पे आ चुका है. So you can see the positioning of OG. And to be fair, this is not a good compound when you are struggling in fights. क्योंकि from this compound, it is a multi-directional compound. There is a dip right here and there are dip towards both the sides of this compound. So अगर zone आप पे बनता जा रहा है, then it means आप sandwich हो ही जाओगे at some point of time. And that is exactly what happened with OG here. So instead of going for this compound, OG को ये compound ले लेना चाहिए था क्योंकि they had a bit advantage towards here of the rotation. And goat came from a bit far away as you saw in the last circle. And here the positioning of teams I'll show you. Next circle में the zone is still on OG and they are playing here, but the problem create कब होती है here. Now you can see OG के दोनों side teams आ चुकी हैं. So for any team who is struggling in fights, the best they have to do is not to go for a compound जहाँ पे there are multiple angles present. See, if you are playing on this area, अगर यहाँ से zone दूर चला जाता है, so how come you will take the entry? That is the main question. And as you know, OG यहाँ पे पहले आ गई. So obviously the teams जो बाहर से आएंगी, यहाँ पे dip है, यहाँ पे dip है. These both dips are deadly for this compound. See, जो compound OG को लेना चाहिए था, the same compound जहाँ पे goat है. At this point you can see the same thing would have happened to OG. क्योंकि एक slam आना ही था, obvious सी बात है. But as you know, this is a single direction compound. यहाँ पे जो टीम आई, you just have to wipe that. And यहाँ पे सभी एरिया से गोलियां भी पड़ती हैं. So the team जो slam कर रही है, it becomes difficult for them to hold the area. And now you can see पहली टीम wipe कर दी, which was easy for them. And a single man casualty थी सिर्फ. And also the zone was short. So all directions से यहाँ पे गोलियां आनी ही थी. And later on you can see how much team goat converted the match.